How to enable or disable dark mode on the REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's quick tip video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily turn on or off dark mode on the REDnote app. Whether you're using the app on the night or just want to toggle the dark mode on the app, I've got you covered. So watch the video till the end to find out how. First thing first, you will have to open up your REDnote app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are in your app, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right to open up your settings. Once you land on your settings page, it will show you your profile. And on your profile page, the first thing that you need to do is find the gear icon right here. If you don't see it, tap on the hamburger menu and on the bottom section, you'll find the settings. Just tap on it. Now from here, you just want to head over to general settings and you will see an option for dark mode right here. Just tap on dark mode, and if you want to use the device settings, it will turn on the dark mode automatically if you have your device in your dark mode. And if you want to turn off dark mode no matter what, you can just toggle this option off, and now you will enter the light mode. Since my device is in dark mode, if I toggle the first settings on, it will automatically turn on the dark mode. But if I keep my device, if I turn off the dark mode on my device, I can easily toggle the dark mode settings like this. Even if I turn on the device settings, it won't toggle the dark mode on. That's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.